Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Ethernet. First, find the Ethernet port on your device, which often looks like a slightly larger phone jack. Next, locate an open Ethernet port on your router or modem. These are typically labeled LAN or have a small network icon. Finally, make sure you have a standard Ethernet cable, sometimes called an RJ45 cable, ready to use for the connection. Now, let's make the physical connection. Take one end of your Ethernet cable and firmly plug it into the Ethernet port on your computer or other device. Then, take the other end of the cable and insert it into an available Ethernet port on your router or modem. You should hear a small, satisfying click, which indicates the cable is securely locked into place and ready for data transfer. After connecting the cable, it's important to confirm your connection. Many Ethernet ports have small LED indicator lights that will illuminate or blink, signaling activity. Next, navigate to your device's network settings. On a computer, this is usually found in the Network and Internet section. Look for Ethernet or Local Area Connection and ensure its status shows as connected or active to confirm your wired network is working. If you encounter issues, don't worry, troubleshooting is straightforward. First, try swapping out your Ethernet cable for a new one, as cables can sometimes be faulty. Next, perform a full restart of both your router and the device you're trying to connect. This often resolves minor glitches. Lastly, ensure your device's network drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can sometimes prevent a stable connection. These steps usually fix most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.